LaSalle all day, every day.
Yeah.
We'll be spending a lot of time on LaSalle there in the road test area. Today we'll probably just drive around Middle Lake a little bit.
Okay.
And what I want to cover with you today is the minor intersections, so like back roads, basically, the stop signs, yield signs, like where the legal stopping positions are, and how long you should stop for, who gets the rights of way. It's just the very basic stuff. Simple left turns, right turns.
The cars behind me that follow me make me nervous. I feel like I'm going slow.
But you're doing the speed limit, so
Yeah, they just scare me.
yeah, feel that peer pressure build up behind you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's something to get used to and kind of try to ignore that.
Yeah.
Here we're going to make a left turn at the lights. And just be prepared. I was going to say be prepared for the yellow. Correct choice of lane. Did you take the course online or?
No, in person with Sharon.
Oh, okay, right on. That's even better.
Yeah.
My daughter took it online and she wanted to poke her eyeballs.
Yeah, I know. I knew I couldn't focus and do that online.
Way too many videos.
Yeah.
And she reads faster than it reads to
Oh,
her.
that too, yeah.
Yeah, at least you get it all done in, 2 weekends, I think,
Yeah,
with Sharon.
yeah. Yeah, because I did, school online when COVID happened in, grade 11, and oh my god, it was horrible.
Yeah. Yeah, I heard from a lot of the high school kids that they hated it there online. In my mind, if I was in high school, I would have been like, woohoo, yeah, day off, right?
Yeah, no.
But I guess not.
It's even worse.
Yeah, so good. You're at 56. It's normal, eh? Normal driving is a little bit, it's okay to fluctuate a little bit over, a little bit over, a little bit under the speed limit by a couple of kilometers, not too much. On the road test, if you go 5 kilometers over the speed limit,
Yeah.
when you could be doing the speed limit, the examiners, they count 5 seconds, and if you're still speeding, they may think that you're a consistent speeder.
Oh, really?
So you got to try to keep it at 50 as much as possible out on the south.
Okay.
They don't automatically fail you if you're going over or under a little bit. That's normal driving. So going downhill here, just take your foot a little off the throttle and